back to our Fall Feast Kitchen Ritual. My name is Marybelle and I'm a graphic design intern at Food Period. If you follow our Instagram, you might have seen some fun gifts and posts that I created. And if you haven't, make sure to follow us at Food Period for some awesome content. To end our Fall Feast, the dessert, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own matcha no-churn ice cream. This is pretty customizable, so you can make it chocolate or caramel. It's perfect to pair it with the pie for your Thanksgiving meal. So I'm going to be showing you how to make it with our phase 2 moon seeds, which includes sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. And this can be adjusted to your liking as well, so it can be gluten-free or vegan. So let's get started.
First, you want to prep your moon seeds by grinding it all to a fine powder using our website seed grinder, which I'll link down below, but feel free to use your own food processor or blender. Grinding the seeds beforehand will make it much easier to ensure proper serving sizes, and according to the Food Period website, grinding the seeds make it easier to absorb all of their micronutrients. So now I have my 2 tablespoons of my grounded phase 2 moon seeds, which is equal to 1 daily servings for your seed sticking practice, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, which will give your ice cream this heavenly creamy texture and sweetness, 1 cup of coconut cream, and for the coconut cream, you want to make sure to chill it overnight for it to solidify, and 4 tablespoons of matcha powder. First, I'll be making a nut butter with my phase 2 grounded moon seeds. I'm going to add my moon seeds into my processor and then gradually add in my virgin coconut oil so it can start building up that butter-like consistency. Next, for this step, you want to make sure you have a chilled bowl beforehand. So I'm going to add in my coconut cream in this chilled bowl and start whipping it until it gets a smooth texture and peak forms. Next, I'm going to add in all my remaining ingredients and mix as I go. Last but not least, pour it into a container and cover it airtight and freeze it overnight, and you'll get your delicious ice cream the next day.
Alright, so I'm back with my ice cream and it looks like it's ready to go. I gave it about 15 to 20 minutes for it to thaw, so when I scoop it out, it's really soft and creamy. So I'm just going to show it to you real quick. So I added some sliced almonds just to make it look a little bit more pretty and to add that crunch texture. So let's give this a try. And the best thing about this is that when it melts, it doesn't turn into a liquid form. If anything, it turns into like a mousse-like consistency, so it's like having 2 desserts in one. If you try our matcha no-churn ice cream recipe, comment down below to tell us how you liked it, or snap us a pic on Instagram and tag us at Food Period. Make sure to subscribe for some more awesome recipes. This is the end of our Fall Feast Kitchen Rituals, and we really hope that you enjoyed this Thanksgiving edition. Have a great Thanksgiving and happy seed sticking. Bye!